I'm waiting on a few parts for the engine, and so I feel like I gotta keep doing something. So I think I'm gonna try to put the taillights on here. And so I got these. I already attached this one to its bracket, and it's gonna go somewhere back here, obviously. I don't know if it's gonna go on this side or this side. We'll figure that out. But let me push the truck out a little bit so I have some space to work. So the next thing to determine is, do I want, if I put this on this side, then this could actually run through this hole, wires, and that would look pretty clean. But I don't like this being on the outside. That looks terrible. I'd rather it be on this side. It'll be something like that where the wires go through that hole right here. I don't know if these are going to be the wires I use. Right now, my plan is to maintain a 6-volt system, in which case I'll have to replace these wires with a different gauge wire, so I can put 6-volt bulbs in here. But that, I still don't know yet. I want to get more work done on the engine before I make a final determination. Because I do have some 6-volt components, like my windshield wipers, my headlights are 6-volt. If I were to switch to a 12-volt, I'd have to figure out a way to, I think they make like little modules that basically change or convert the appropriate amount of electrical current from a 12-volt system into a 6-volt light and whatnot. So I'll have to do some more research on that. But this is the housing I wanted. So this is what I got. Whether I need to convert this to 6 or not is to be determined still. I need to stand back here and look at it. Make sure it looks straight. Pick up a couple stainless washers to go with these. I thought I had some, but I guess I didn't. Those screws kind of look out of place, but I'm not. It doesn't really bother me that much. I'll be okay with that. I'll put a black sleeve over these, and then I'm just gonna run them through that hole right there, and then under the bed frame. Yeah, we'll go with that. All right, let me drill these holes, and then we'll get this one mounted up. All right, that one's on. So I need to go get a couple of stainless washers to go around there. And then I'm going to get a little Q-tip and some paint and just kind of dab the edges that I just drilled so they don't start rusting. Where I drilled the drill and knocked the paint off. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I like them. Well, that's it. That's the taillights. I think that's all I'm doing for now. Thanks for watching. Before I go, something I'm happy to report. The block is not warped. Last night I was out here, I put this, and I'm assuming this is pretty straight. This is not a precision instrument. When I laid that on there, put my light on the other side, and ring across, and man, it is perfectly flat. Anyways, I have no concern about the flatness of this. Looks really good to me. Alright, let's see about taking these off. Got a ring. It looks excellent. Oil ring. So set like that. Down. I'm not seeing any light poking through the edges. I feel like you'd be able to see the white plastic shining through the edges, right? Maybe. Oh, okay. I saw that light edge going around, and I thought that was the light shining through, but it's just the edge of the ring. Okay. Those look really good. That's a good seal all the way around, in my opinion. It looks good to me. I think what I'm going to do is just do a really good cleaning because there's a lot of carbon built up inside these. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So there's a lot of this gunk. I feel like that's what most of this engine work is going to be, is just cleaning it. Change out valve guides. And put new gaskets and seals and everything on it. I'm really happy with how this engine's looking. Yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I think next will be maybe glass. Try to get some windows in. I'm not really sure what else. I'm just kind of going day by day what I kind of see laying around, what I feel like putting in. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.